Here we are out here. I didn't think it was going to happen this soon, but here we are. This is demolition of the Stonecrest golf course here. I thought we was going to get the golf this one more time, but I guess not. I thought they said they was going to keep 9 holes. I don't know if that is true or false, but you can see they're tearing trees and all kind of shit out of here. There's the back stretch. This is on 18 here in Wampum. See on the hill there. The rumor was they were going to start one more year, obviously, and then they was going to keep 9 holes. So I don't know if that's true or false. Demolish 9, keep 9. Then after that, the whole course is going to be a whatchamacallit, a housing development. But this is the start of it. We'll keep you updated like we did with the Helling Stadium. Hold on, we'll be right back. We're going to show you the trees down there in the foreground.
Powered by Bowser Chevrolet. We'll talk national golf news, meet with local golf pros, and visit courses throughout the summer. Going Low is powered by Bowser Chevrolet and brought to you by Bell's Over on Beer, Shooters Golf, Southwest Green, PA. Golf course.
A little better view here. See the shredding trees up here. Like I said, I don't know if they're keeping 9 holes or not. But obviously, here's the beginning. It used to be the hole number 1 there. We'll keep you updated. We'll see if they keep the 9 holes or if that was all. See if they're tearing the hell out of everything here. Over and out here from Stonecrest.